Thanks for choosing the VEC Load Control system. Here's a streamlined guide to get your system installed and up and running smoothly. Feel free to customize the order of these steps to suit your needs. They're flexible. Safety first. De-energize the panel before wiring. Turn off the main and branch breakers. Verify zero voltage with a meter and follow all applicable electrical codes. Use proper PPE at all times. Overview. Upon reviewing this complete image, you'll notice the VEC is installed between the main panel and the load, which can include an EV charger, air conditioner, hot tub, or other appliances. The VEC is versatile, operating in either load shedding or interlock mode, depending on your configuration. Notably, it's expandable up to 3 loads and can serve as bus bar protection for future applications. Installation steps. Step 1. Choose the right spot for mounting the VEC close to the main panel. Step 2. Install the VEC supply breaker in the panel. Step 3. Wire the line side from the main panel to the VEC enclosure, connecting to L1 and L2. Step 4. For the load side, wire from the VEC load terminals T1 and T2 to your load. Note, if a neutral wire is required, like for a dryer or hot tub, make sure to terminate it in the main panel, inside the VEC enclosure, and at the load itself, according to the wiring diagram. 5. CT installation. Alright, let's dive into CT installation for VEC Load Control. Our CTs are split core, making life a breeze. Open them up and place them around the main cables. Let's say this one's L1, this one's L2, and this is neutral. Pop the first CT around L1 and the second around L2. But hey, don't wrap the CT around the neutral wire. We're not measuring that. Keep both CTs facing the same way, say K to L for consistent readings. Guide those CT cables into the V terminals. Connect CT1 wires to terminal 1 and 2 and CT2 to terminal 3 and 4. Those VEC PCB terminals are push-on, so press, insert the wire, and release. Don't forget a cable connector for the VEC enclosure and main panel to keep things tidy. And there you have it, your CT installation is complete. Final checks. Remember to double check the conductor and breaker sizes and routing, verify grounding and terminations as per local code, ensure CT placements and terminations are spot on, and torque those terminals per spec. Power up. Close the enclosures. Turn on the main breaker, then the VEC supply breaker. And just like that, your VEC installation is complete. Now, let's dive into monitoring and adjustment settings to bring your system to life.